Hello and welcome to Smart Agri Hub. We're so excited to have you here for our brand new course on biodiversity, a journey that will open your eyes to the wonders of life on Earth, how it sustains us, and why protecting it matters more than ever. From the tiniest microbes in the soil to the vast forests that breathe life into our planet, biodiversity is the heartbeat of our ecosystems, our agriculture, and ultimately our survival. This 10-day learning adventure will take you through 10 powerful chapters, each around 9 minutes, designed to give you clear insights and practical knowledge about biodiversity and its role in shaping our future. Course breakdown. Here's what you can expect from the 10 chapters of the course. Chapter 1, Introduction to Biodiversity, what it is and why it matters. Chapter 2, Types of Biodiversity, from genetic diversity to ecosystems. Chapter 3, Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services, how nature supports our daily lives. Chapter 4, Biodiversity and Agriculture, the link between food security and diversity. Chapter 5, Threats to Biodiversity, from climate change to human activities. Chapter 6, Conservation of Biodiversity, practical solutions for protection. Chapter 7, Biodiversity and Climate Change, how they influence each other. Chapter 8, Global and Local Biodiversity Policies, frameworks that guide us. Chapter 9, Biodiversity and Human Well-Being, why human health depends on it. The future of biodiversity, what lies ahead and what we can do. Starting next week, we'll explore one chapter every day until the end of the course, with each episode premiering at 6 a.m. GMT. Set your reminders so you won't miss a single session. This isn't just a course, it's a call to action. Whether you're a student, a farmer, a policymaker, or simply passionate about nature, this journey will equip you with knowledge and inspire you to make a difference. Subscribe now to Smart Agri Hub, hit the notification bell, and join us every morning for this exciting series on biodiversity. Together, let's learn, share, and work towards a more sustainable future. Biodiversity is life. Let's protect it, celebrate it, and grow with it. See you on day 1 of the course, right here on Smart Agri Hub.